In the realm of superfoods, one tiny seed has managed to capture the attention of health enthusiasts and nutritionists alike. The humble chia seed, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Central and South America. Chia seeds have transcended their historical roots to become a staple in modern diets. Packed with a myriad of nutrients and boasting an impressive nutritional profile, these tiny seeds have earned their status as a superfood. In this video, we will examine the wealth of health benefits that chia seeds offer, exploring their nutritional content, potential for weight management, cardiovascular advantages, and contribution to overall well-being.
Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
Chia seeds may be small in size, but they pack a nutritional punch that rivals some of the most nutrient-dense foods. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, chia seeds are a well-rounded source of essential nutrients. One of the key attractions is their omega-3 content, specifically alpha-linoleic acid, which is crucial for brain health and has anti-inflammatory properties. For individuals who do not consume fatty fish regularly, chia seeds present a valuable plant-based alternative to obtain these essential fatty acids. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health, aiding in proper bowel function, and helping prevent constipation. In the perpetual quest for effective weight management strategies, chia seeds emerge as a valuable ally. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and forms a gel in the stomach, creating a feeling of fullness. Because these seeds make us feel full, they can contribute to reduced calorie intake, potentially assisting individuals in their weight loss or weight maintenance journey. Incorporating chia seeds into meals or snacks may be particularly beneficial for those seeking a natural and sustainable approach to managing their weight. To make things even better, the protein content in chia seeds is notable. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in muscle repair, immune function, and the production of enzymes and hormones. Including chia seeds in a well-balanced diet can contribute to meeting daily protein requirements, especially for individuals following plant-based or vegetarian lifestyles. The cardiovascular benefits of chia seeds are also noteworthy. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, particularly alpha-lipoic acid, have been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. These fatty acids contribute to lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, or HDL, promoting a healthier lipid profile. Additionally, chia seeds contain alpha-linoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a known contributor to cardiovascular disease, and by incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like chia seeds into the diet, individuals may mitigate some of the risk factors associated with heart health. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is super important for overall health, particularly for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The high fiber content in chia seeds plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. The gel-like substance formed by the soluble fiber in chia seeds slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Studies have suggested that including chia seeds in meals can lead to a lower post-meal increase in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or diabetes, as well as those aiming to manage their energy levels throughout the day. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from oxidative stress. Chia seeds are a rich source of antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin. These antioxidants contribute to the seed's overall health-promoting properties and may play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer. The combination of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in chia seeds creates a formidable defense against oxidative stress, supporting the body's natural mechanism for combating cellular damage. Including chia seeds in a diverse and nutrient-rich diet can contribute to overall well-being by providing an extra layer of protection against the harmful effects of free radicals. Chia seeds are not only renowned for their omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein content, but also for their abundance of essential minerals, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These minerals play a vital role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Calcium is a well-known building block for bone health, and while chia seeds may not contain as much calcium as dairy products, they offer a valuable plant-based alternative for individuals who are lactose intolerant or follow a vegan diet. Additionally, the phosphorus in chia seeds contribute to bone and teeth formation, while magnesium supports the absorption of calcium and plays a role in muscle and nerve function. One of the practical advantages of chia seeds is their versatility in culinary applications. These tiny seeds can be seamlessly integrated into various dishes from breakfast to dinner and even snacks. When mixed with liquids, their gel-like consistency makes them suitable for creating puddings, jams, or added thickness to smoothies. Chia seeds can also be sprinkled on yogurt, salads, or oatmeal, offering a subtle crunch and enhancing the nutritional content of the meal. The neutral taste of chia seeds allows them to complement both sweet and savory dishes, making them a convenient and adaptable addition to diverse culinary creations. Chia seeds stand as a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wealth of health benefits that extend far beyond their tiny size. From supporting cardiovascular health to aiding in weight management, regulating blood sugar levels, and contributing to overall well-being, the nutritional profile of chia seeds make them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. These tiny seeds have earned their place in the spotlight of nutritious superfoods. Whether you choose to sprinkle them on your morning yogurt, blend them into a refreshing smoothie, or incorporate them in a satisfying chia pudding, the versatility of chia seeds allows for endless possibilities in culinary exploration. As with any dietary component, moderation is key. While chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's important to integrate them into a well-rounded diet, alongside a variety of nutrient-dense foods. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of nutrition, chia seeds stand as a testament to the extraordinary potential of natural whole foods in promoting and sustaining a healthy lifestyle. If you want more information on medications, nutritional supplements, or just how to be happy and healthy, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.